Next topic is midpoint subdivision algorithm for the line clipping. So basically this is the type of algorithm through which we have to clip the line and display the visible part of line. The Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm requires the calculation of intersection of the line with the window edge. This calculation can be avoided by repeatedly substituting or subdividing the line at the its midpoint. So we need to be a divide the line equally and find out the midpoint of the given line. So like previous algorithm, initially the line is tested for the visibility parameter. If the line is completely visible, then we can draw the line, and if it is completely invisible, we need to be a reject it. So if the line is partially visible, then we need to divide that line, or we can subdivide it in the two equal parts and then check the visibility are then applied for the each half of the line. So basically this subdivision process is repeatedly until we get the complete visible portion of the line or the completely invisible line segment. So we can consider here this is the process of continuous until the line is visible or invisible category. So this figure shows the line x1 to x2. So we need to be divide the line is in equal to two parts. For example, first one is a if we want to divide the line, we get the x5. This is the midpoint of that line. Then we need to be check the x1 to x5 and x5 to x2. So again we need to be divide the line into the two equal parts. So we get the repeatedly processed till the visible and invisible part are to be generated. So this is the figure in which we have to consider that the line A to P1 to P2. Then we have to divide it into the two equal parts. Then we get the midpoint as a P3. Then again we need to be divide this line into the two equal segments. So we get the P4, and we can divide the P3 to P2. Then we get the next point as a P5. We need to be a check every segment of the line after the division, either it is visible or invisible part. So we consider that in that case, the part P1 to P4 is invisible, but P4 to P3 is visible. Again, we can divide that part into the two equal parts, P4 to P3, then we get P6. Again, we have to consider that the P6 to P3 is totally inside and P4 to P6 is partially visible. Again, we need to be divide that line P4 to P6. Then we get the P7 value. So we can repeat the process till we get the total visibility and total invisible portion of the line here. This is the method of the midpoint subdivision algorithm for the line clipping is here. So there is an algorithm we can use for dividing the line into the visibility and invisibility portion. So first step is in that we have to consider first find the x2 plus x1 divided by 2 means we get the midpoint of that line. So we can store that value into the x3. Then find the x4 means always we need to be calculate the subdivision of that particular line segment. So this is the basic parameter we can consider here. First step of algorithm is calculate the position of both the endpoint of the line. Then perform the operation OR on the both this endpoint. If the OR operation gives the 4 times 0, then the line is visible, else line is invisible. So we need to be perform ANDing operation on the both endpoint. If the endpoint result is not equal to 0, then line is invisible. And if it is equal to 0, then line is visible. Means we need to be a clip that line. For the clipping, which formula we have to implement? Subdivision means the addition of two endpoints divided by 2. So what is the value of x max? Is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we get the midpoint for the x coordinate and we get the midpoint for the y coordinate here. So after that, check each midpoint for the visibility purpose, whether it is inserted to the boundary of window or not, means which is inside the window or outside the window. If the line is totally visible, either partially visible. Again, if it is partially visible, then we need to be clip that line, or we need to be a divide again, find out the subdivision of that line and get the midpoint of the current line segment. So we can follow the step multiple times here. So next we need to be consider the particular subdivision algorithm repeatedly till we get the total visible portion of the line to be displayed inside the window. We can consider one example here. Window size is -31 to 2.6. Okay. The line AB is given, which having the coordinates -4, 2 and B having -1, 7. Thus, this line is visible or invisible? To find the visibility with the help of midpoint subdivision. So first we consider, this is the layout of your diagram. So first step is A. What is the value of A is -4, 2 and B is 1, 7. So we can apply the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So what is the value of this is -4 plus -1 divided by 2. Next 2 plus 7 divided by 2. This is the point we can get, which is the midpoint is -2 and 4. So again we can check for the same visibility. Again we can divide the line segment into the two equal parts. The first point is the -2 and 4, and next point of the line is -1, 7. So we can again apply the same formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So what is the value of x1 is -2 and x2 is -1. What is the value of y1 is 4 and y2 is 7. So again we get the next midpoint is -1, 5. So it is, we can compare again and check the visibility of the particular line. So we get the equation and we get the visible portion of the line, because we can divide the line into the n number of parts. Again we have to apply on the given line segment, and again we need to be check the visibility of the portion. So this is the basic concept of the line segment here. So this is the example here. We can consider the window. This is your line. We can divide the line into the two equal parts. If we get the equal parts P1 to P2, then we get P3. We can check the visibility of the single segment. This is partially visible and this is totally visible. So we need to be divide this line into the two equal parts. P4. Again, this is invisible, so we can discard it. This is partially visible. So again, we need to be divide this line into the two equal parts. Again, we check the visibility. This is invisible, so we can discard it. Again, we can divide this line into the two line segment. This is invisible, so we can discard it. This is visible. So we get the visible point from P6 to P2. So we can define the line or display the line which is inside the window. This is the method called as a midpoint subdivision method.